Hello. Hello?
Hello.
Did you get to Tractor Supply yet?
What?
What? Did you get to Tractor Supply yet?
How would I get to Tractor Supply?
You have the 1 ton.
I thought I went to get half a yard from, what's it called?
Samantha said you only needed like 3 bags.
What?
And then she said, okay, fine, get 4 bags.
What?
Or 6 or something.
I said 6.
6 bags.
She said, okay, fine, go get mulch from, what's it called?
Oh.
Can you just bring it back to Black Forest?
Did you already get it?
Yeah?
Oh, can you bring that back and then go grab some bags at Tractor Supply?
No. It's a non-return policy.
Okay, well, I was just calling to say good night.
I don't like you.
Sweet dreams.
Yeah.
Okay, love you, bye.
Why'd you call me?
I just wanted to say good night.
Thanks.
Good.
I'm passing the veteran cemetery right now.
Okay, love you, bye.
Bye.
You didn't even say you loved me.
Love you too.
There it is. Okay, bye.
Bye.
All right, are you ready to get to work now?
Not really.
That water, is that like under that building or right? Does that water go right under the building? Doesn't it look like it?
It does. It ends.
Huh. I wonder if there's any place inside that you can like see the water. Wouldn't that be so cool? All right, we're gonna do some trimming today, and I'm just gonna get a bunch of before and after kind of looks because I don't have a tripod and I'm gonna have to help. Done, and Joe just tried to take it back off the walkway without doing too much and just skimming over it. We're just putting bark mulch around these 2 trees.
The best part about the tailgate was about this height, right, all the time. My back hurts. Well, I can swap. Is that backwards or is
And the initial quote and walkthrough is just trees up front, and there were 2 more trees up back that we did not realize, so we're just getting it done. Christian running the rake. Joe's more or less in a bad mood because he said this is the worst day for trimming because everything's wet, but everything has been wet for like 3 weeks, so it's not currently raining. We're just gonna try to get it done because next week it looked a little better this morning, But yesterday when we looked at the weather, it was literally more or less another 10-day forecast of rain. So, I mean, we can't not work. So it's a little wet, it's a little damp, it's a little not ideal. But at the end of the day, it needs to be done before Memorial Day, and we're days away. So this is one of the last things on the to-do list. Well, if we can try to cut it out and then just see what it looks like. It looks like the bittersweet has more or less killed a lot of this.
Exactly. That's what
But
I'm
if we
seeing right
don't take it
here.
out,
Whole back side is bittersweet.
is it?
Yeah.
I mean, we don't really have an option, right? It's definitely not done in one spring.
No. No, this bittersweet just didn't get here right now.
That's like a whole
I got more
plant of... Yeah, that's what we just said.
Then rhododendron.
Like, I don't know if they thought it was a plant and they left it, but I think the bittersweet, like, killed this. But there are a bunch of new growth, so... Do you need me to grab that piece or
Like
something?
new growth of bittersweet.
Is that what this is? Oh, yeah. I thought that was...
No, I think this is the only plant.
Oh, yeah. I'm silly.
It's gonna look really good.
Well, I can't leave the
Well,
bittersweet.
No, but this is one of those, you tear it out.
Yeah. Well, when you take all the bittersweet out and it's all dead.
He might come alive. No.
I mean,
So how's your dad?
my dad is good. Oop. Are you just taking it? Yeah, look. That looked like it was the plant. And it, not one you want. Okay. A little after. I kind of forget how I did this before. I think I went like that. And I just kind of showed these. Trying to show you like the true before and afters, so you can see the difference. But I got a phone call, so I was busy and I wasn't paying attention. But all right, we're gonna go check in with the boys. Joe attacked all the vines. They're getting the last off the handrail.
Really like hedge trimming, but that looks way better than it all overgrown with bittersweet.
Yeah. You're such a good guy, Joe. Really going above and beyond.
Wow. We were on the same vine, Christmas.
You caught a vine.
All right, we have the front of this building and then down the side, and then I think it's just about a wrap here, and then we have one last mulch job to do, and then I think we can actually enjoy like a day or two off maybe. If you're a mower, my question to you is, with all this rain, Monday looks nice, are you mowing on Memorial Day? I know like our commercial contracts, we can't be there during the holidays, but what about like residential? We're kind of thinking people don't want us at their house. We don't care about working on holidays, but we're thinking like the customer wouldn't really like it. What are your thoughts? Leave it in the comments because I'm curious to know. Oh my gosh. Hi, Christian. Get out of here. I really should have worn some gloves.
Tell by the way it was. Actually, not actually.
One more job, Harvey, and then you can call it a day. Joe, you have a new... Oh, it's leaving you. Kitty, kitty. It's so cute. It's just been following us around the whole time.
Just like bums around.
Yeah, I don't know. I thought she said it was like a neighbor's cat. Yeah, it has been like a cat day.
Yeah.
When we were doing all the trimming, there was, in all the windows, cats would
It was
be
funny
watching
because
you.
I was trimming the top of a big flat hedge, and so I had the extended trimmer out, and it's, you know, out
Going
like
back
this,
and
going back
forth.
and forth, and the cat, you know how the cat will follow something, the cat would watch the trimmer go this way, watch the trimmer go that way, watch the... I was getting a kick out of that. Kind of made my day.
But all right, I think we are done for the day. Everything is so wet, but I am so thankful, even though it's been raining on and off all day. We have only 2 cleanups left.
Yep.
And
One is really, really, really super wet,
yeah,
and the other isn't. The other is like dry, but the other we're doing like aerating and dethatching and stuff. So if it's wet whatsoever, you're going to be tearing the grass out and making a mess. So it needs to be dry for that.
or drier, at least
Drier.
like a day of sun.
A day of sun, and then we can hit it. But
Yeah. But no, surprise, surprise, Bentley has basketball tonight. So
shocker.
we gotta get him to that. And
Oh, we got time to spare. I said if we were out of there 1:45, 2 o'clock, we're out of there 1:30.
Yep. We have some estimates to do. So I might send Joe that way if possible. But yeah. I know I didn't take you along with us for that other job, but I literally, we're on a time crunch and I was just trying to have us all get in and out as fast as we could, spreading 3 yards of mulch. How much did we actually end up using? We couldn't remember if it was 2 or 3 yards that we did last year.
I mean, there's
And I didn't write a specific number on the invoice.
like a half yard left in there, but that looked like a heavy 3 yards. So I think we probably used 2.5, 3 yards.
We'll go with 2.5. Because then I'm not right and you're not right. It's right in the middle.
No, I said 2 yards.
Because I
probably,
said 2 and Joe
I
said
said
3.
2 yards would probably do it, but
You didn't want
for
to
the
run out.
cost of the mulch, it cost more to go back for a yard if you need a half a yard than it does to just have the extra yard.
Yeah.
And hemlock, we already have a pile going at the house. It's what we touch up our beds at our house. It's a common color, so I don't mind just dumping it in the pile, and
Yeah.
then the next time we do a little 1 or 2 yard job, we can just take a couple skid steer buckets out and we're good.
Perfect.
We're not running around for it.
But I don't know. I think we're probably just gonna end it here, and then
See if I do this right today.
Oh, the ending.
Yeah. Not that anybody watched yesterday's for some reason. Nobody likes chainsaws.
Yeah, maybe I should have put chainsaw in the title. The views went like.
Yeah. I was like, we haven't had a view this low of a view count in like
So
months.
I guess no more silly videos. Nobody was digging it, although they didn't even watch it to see that it was
Right.
silly. But no one was digging it. But no, it was fun to do. I mean, we didn't even try
I just
to.
thought it'd be something different.
But
I
that's
think
the
people
thing.
get tired of, or I would think, but then
the
again,
same.
I watch
You
it.
watch it.
But like,
But and for us,
Mowing,
it's not
mowing.
like we planned that or something. I just kept the camera rolling. That is literally how these guys are all day. And I think
right, that wasn't like a
It wasn't like,
planned out
okay,
a
try to
skit.
be a fool.
They didn't even know that I was cutting my wood pile. Like, that
Right.
was just something I pulled out. Like, it's just us being foolish and making the best
Just
of a
have-
rainy day. And
Yeah, just working together, having fun. Oh my goodness. But, all right. Are you prepping? Are you hyping yourself up? Are you ready for this?
right now.
You're gonna nail it the first time.
Oh, yep.
I just always laugh at Joe. He always does. I don't even know how. We always say peace out. I don't know why. But then I started making sure I would just put my hand over the, the screen so that I could just end the video and I didn't have to like edit to put a black screen or something. And Joe always tries, and he's always like hitting the viewfinder thing or
I
like.
didn't get the memo
And
that it was supposed to be
every
a black
time
screen
I
at the end
laugh.
until yesterday.
Yeah, yesterday you nailed it
I didn't
after
really
3
figure that
attempts.
out. Yeah.
And he always hits the screen that like we can see,
Not
not
the
the one that
actual.
records. And so it's just always funny. And it's always, they make fun of me if I think I do something really well, but I'm like totally messing it up. And I'm always like, nailed it. And then they make fun of me. And that's kind of how Joe is with the GoPro. But all right, I hope you guys all have a fabulous long weekend. Happy Memorial Day. You know, thanks to all who have served our country. And we'll be back on Tuesday, and we hope we see you then. Right?
Yes. Can I do it now?
You can do it now.
All right. Peace out, YouTube.
Good job, babe.